What's up, gang, man? It's the first time driving the Camaro in the snow. Well, I did that one time. It really sucks. It's not. This is my first time driving in the winter, I meant to say. Because last year we didn't have a winter for real. So everywhere, as you know, everywhere it's like it was a big snowstorm everywhere. So right now we ain't got no traction control going because I gotta get out the sub. So you already know how that go. So we about to be spinning like crazy. Trying to get out this thing. Out the sub. It ain't that bad. If you just know how to use a little bit of throttle control, you know, you get out of there. It's not bad. But let's get through this real quick. Okay, so now that he calmed down, we can talk about what we're about to do. So, as you know in the title of this video, I'm about to be answering all y'all questions about my friend's 2008 Grandprix GSP. So it was a video. I'll put the link to it right here in the description for all those people, you know what I'm talking about. Oh, I have so many questions about this car. It's not my car. This is not my car. I can't answer that. I'm gonna put his, when we go over here, I'm gonna give y'all all his social and all that stuff, so y'all can get that. Because I can't get it to y'all, so we about to get over there and do that. So we actually gonna film another video too, because he's actually tuning his 2016 Ford Edge. He wanna do a little bit of stuff to that. We're gonna be following that build too, so be looking forward to that. And also, yeah, man, we just had to get out and drive the car too. I didn't post a video ever since the dyno video. So this is I'm gonna put a card to the dyno video up in the top too, so you can go ahead and click and watch that. Bro, I'm trying to yell over this car. Like, it sounds crazy, but if you turn off traction control, it drives better. I know it sounds crazy. Is it the worst? Is it one of the worst cars in snow? Absolutely. Rear wheel drive. Sports car, mine's LBO, so it's really bad, but I got wider tires, but that really don't matter. You're still getting the same effect as any other rear-wheel drive car. But we're driving the car because the roads are clear today. And yeah, and that's that. So let's get over it with my video. I mean, I talk y'all to death. Let's get it. Hold on, I'm about to get y'all some pops. This thing been through a lot, man. What they said, it was a head gasket leak, and then no, what was it?
Cover and oil pan gasket.
Yeah. No more LS4 problems, or that is something else.
You know, I don't know if it is LS problems, but
Let's see. Okay. The bass machine. This dude is the bass machine. He make all the cameras go crazy. He just a bass machine. Mine just blow cameras out.
oh man,
No, but for real.
yeah, fucking fan going crazy right now.
All right, man. We got to get these questions out right now. You about to give me information, everything. Okay. Headlights.
Headlights, what about it?
What's the dude name? Please.
It's just
leave me alone.
Aside. Leave me alone. Aside.
Okay.
He used to do them a little while back.
It's aside.
He don't really do them too much now, but it's just a custom retrofit.
Right. Okay.
That's
so
all.
we go put his information on the screen. So y'all can leave me alone. And then what kind of rims we got here? I don't know.
They're dirty as fuck right now, but
we don't care about that. We don't care about that.
Verde V99s.
They some Verde V99s. Leave me alone. Okay.
Ain't nothing else, right?
This is not my car, people. This is not my car.
It is really dirty.
Okay, but what they had to do to get the headlights? Well, he just did everything for you, or
Yeah,
like
yeah. So you
didn't have to buy no regular headlights or nothing.
No, I bought the spider housing, the spider headlight housing, and then I bought the halos, the light strip, the projectors, so the shining gun.
But he tell you he go get it all for you, or do you have to get that stuff?
She recommended it, but you know, you just buy it for him, ship it to his house and whatnot.
So I'm pretty sure he told you what to get though. So he gonna tell you what to get, you gotta get it, and you bring it to him. And he in Canton, Michigan.
Canton, yep.
He's in Canton, Michigan, so that's where you get it from, man. All right, you gonna be doing some more stuff to this, right? What we doing?
Honestly,
Or you chilling for a minute?
thinking louvers. Thinking louvers.
Okay.
And then motor work, once that motor fucking puts out.
Oh yeah, we can't spoil what he doing, but he about to go crazy with the motor, so. So you know what I'm saying. He said he gonna have the hardest Grand Prix in Michigan. He said.
Without a doubt. That's the goal right there.
That's a bold statement. That's a bold statement.
The Lambo
That's a bold statement.
Louvers, they come around nicely.
You know what? I'm gonna just put his Snapchat on the screen too. Y'all leave me alone. Y'all follow up on him. Leave me alone, please. Okay. Hey, look, they be messing with me for real. Like I'm like, bro, I don't know about this car, bro. All I know about is my car. I don't know about his car. Yeah. But we about to be, you about to just be taking a file off of this, right?
Which one?
Like we about to be getting a file on this.
Yeah,
We about to just get a stock file so you can send it to the tuner. But my laptop been sitting in my car. It just died somehow. I don't know, but it's probably because it's been cold. But we get snow later? I didn't know that. Oh, I don't think so. It's like 30 degrees. You know what? We get in Michigan. It's bipolar. We riding the Grand Prix today.
Around the Grand Prix,
You know what I'm saying? We riding the Grand Prix.
Bag up and running and shit.
Yeah, man. I been here in a minute. He don't want to show y'all his engine bay.
Shit dirty as fuck. It's not worthy of that camera.
Yeah. No, he ain't did nothing pretty in here yet. But y'all know what this look like already. We gonna look anyways, we car people.
I guess they...
Yeah, they was dirty. You actually can see the chrome on them.
You know what?
Yeah, man. We might get a ride along in here today. I don't know. We might. We ain't rode in the Grand Prix in a minute. That's what we might do today. So yeah. Alright, man. We gonna see where this video go. Okay, y'all. So we about to go ahead and get a little ride along in the GXP, man. It's been a minute. Thumbnail? Yeah. Okay. We going or no?
Yeah, but I gotta...
I think they back.
Yeah,
Dang.
Bro, I told you it was in my glove box.
Oh, Jesus. So what's that?
My OBD, that's the thing that goes in my OBD port that I was telling you about.
Oh, it was a little cap. We got action. It didn't want to turn on for a second. Huh? Nah, your car actually. This boy's still clean though, Benito. And it still is clean.
I try to keep it clean.
Bruh. I don't think I actually.
Oh, I should have grabbed a towel, bro.
Oh. I don't think I actually drove in your car since I started my YouTube channel. Like, ever since I started it.
Bro.
Yeah, that was like a year.
Should I swing around, bro? Because if we go to the auto parts store, we might as well hit the car wash.
I mean, that's up to you. The front end be sliding when you be hitting it.
You slide it.
It ain't really even sliding.
Yeah, I guess I got trash control.
Turn it off.
When we coming out, bitch. When we come out, I'll turn it off.
How do front wheel drive cars react in the snow?
Bro, I want to do a donut down here, bro. But I don't want to fuck my car up, bro. I would if I didn't have my car.
Oh, man. What you mean you don't want to mess up your car?
I just don't want something to break, bro. Grab this towel.
To be continued. So this dude tags is bad in his car, and we have to well, his car's been sitting for like a long time. I haven't drove in his car in like a year, bro. So like his car been sitting too because it's been getting worked on and stuff. When we washed up and stuff, I'm gonna show you all around it when we get out the car. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get him to do a donut in the snow. I think it's gonna have to be like reverse, but it's gonna be funny.
Really fucking tempted.
Donut action?
Yeah,
We just go get stuck. Well, you gotta do it in reverse.
Yeah. I ain't got one of this
Reverse donut. I have never seen this ever. It ain't moving nowhere.
No, it's not grip. It's not sliding. Hold on. I don't want to blow my car steering though. That's the whole thing.
No, we gonna roll over to the ditch, cuz.
No, it won't do it.
Yeah, you doing it today.
Not today. We'll catch her on a fluffy snow or something. You gonna make me break my car, dude. Don't make me break my car. I don't like that shit, bro. Because I remember it made that song. I don't know if that. What is that, bro? Is that the fans?
Oh no.
Ah, bro. Here go this little Impala right here, bro. It's not even an SS. It's a ski. I'm ready to check. Oh, here comes somebody. This little Rango.
You got a little baby pool.
It's hard on the phone. Is Rango about to take the left lane?
I don't know what's going on. He on you. He got a hood scoop.
That's what I was saying.
Maybe he's a GT boy with a hood scoop. You know, all y'all, all the Dodge people. They be.
I just don't want to fuck this baby up, bro. I just hate this.
They be cross repping. I don't know.
Is that my brakes, bro? Like,
I don't know.
oh, see how? That's all second, bro.
That's all second. Uh-oh.
Oh, he trying to.
He ain't trying to do that. Oh, okay. Hold on. You got some action.
I do got some action.
We doing it, bro?
Oh, I don't know, man. I just don't like this speed tree, bro. I don't know if it's working.
Wait, so what is that? Is that a Hemi? Oh, he can roll it with it now?
Try to neutral shift this one.
Heck, you know, you gonna blow your junk up.
He going in the trailer park, bro.
I thought he was going mess with you.
Well, that's why
he probably would have, but he ran his face. I didn't even know that was a Hemi, bro.
That was a little
He debadged it. It was an RT.
It's an RT on the
But
back.
it did on the back.
Yeah, it's still
Oh, okay.
RT.
Usually that'd be like GT on the side with the Hellcat hood scoop on it.
But look what we got next to us, bro. This is what you need to eat on, bro.
What?
Black and red fucking Camaro, bro. That's a base one, ain't it?
Hmm?
No, that's not SS.
It's a SS. He cooler. He cooler.
I need to know what that's on.
What is that?
I don't know,
Oh my. Oh my. Big race wing.
bro. Bro, you see the rims on that bitch?
What
too?
the heck?
I don't know what that is. 100? Bro, why everything out right now, bro?
Who knows what the heck? SRT 10 Ram? I just not know SRT Ram. But yeah, should I just keep the camera rolling? Cause I feel like I'm gonna see something if I turn it off. I feel like if I turn it off, we gonna see something.
Give me the left lane. Go look. Let me spread a little bit. Nothing that right tonight.
Okay.
I ain't fucked around on the streets in this little Grandprix.
Yeah, bro, you literally haven't drove this car in like months. So like,
That's what I'm saying. I miss it. It's so tiny.
how do it feel though? Like,
It's nice. Like I like riding down like this. It don't feel as good as it used to, right? Like it
Really?
feel. She a little
we
rad.
need LED steering wheel.
Man, fuck out of here, bro. I need to
Car
Go this
fiber
bitch
steering
out.
wheel.
Go this bitch out real quick.
Oh man,
I definitely need to check the brakes.
Dog.
I don't know. Is that brakes? They
dog.
don't even sound like brakes.
Y'all do not want to go to that car wash if you in this area, man. That thing almost tore his mirror off, his side mirror, bro. Almost tore that thing off. Well, that's what any auto car wash that's not contactless.
It's gotta be brakes, bro.
Porsche action. Straightaway action. Let me get that speedometer action. You know what I'm saying?
You weird, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, relax there, champ. But yeah, it's been a minute since we've been in here though.
I know, man. This used to be the OG right here.
Yeah. This was getting us around.
This was the little cool.
Was this our first V8?
This was our first V8.
Yeah, first V8. Yeah, this first V8 experience. Then I got Bruce.
Then you got Bruce.
You know what I'm saying?
Then you got Talking Big. You had your little 5.3.
Yeah.
My little 5.3.
Oh, CTSV action. We missed that. I'm sorry. But yeah, man.
Hopefully they got something for my tires.
We gonna get a little outside rev in the AutoZone parking lot. We gonna leave.
I just don't like that sound, bro. I don't know what the fuck that is.
Dude switched up on me now. He got a Challenger now. Dude had a that lime green Camaro, or this might not be him.
You said dude at the AutoZone?
Yeah, he had a lime green SS.
Oh, that's so wide, bro.
Like the shot green. I think it was shot green. But